Alrighty guys, I wanted to show you guys my new auto train that I just have gotten. I just bought it today. I bought these two engines, 7 of these auto carrier cars, and I also bought 3 of these dome cars. So got that from my friend Hal. He sold it to me today, so thank you, Hal. I had this already in a set. I had like 5 of the auto carrier cars, and I had 5 of these cars, so I already had those. But that completes my auto train. I also bought from Hal was these U28s by Proto 2000. These are very cool. I think the first one has lock sound, and the other 2 has I think QSI. Also bought these auto train carrier phase 3 and I think one phase 4 from Hal. He kind of threw them in as a surprise gift or a gift for me, so I appreciate it, Hal. I thank you for it. So I'm basically at the club just running, making sure everything works, and Hal also installed a Fred on the back of it, so that's kind of cool. So yeah, Hal is a good friend of mine's. Like I said, he gave me a auto train book, which has a lot of artifacts about the auto train and such forth like that. So definitely we'll take a look at this to make sure my auto train is up to real. He also gave me this placard, which I really do like, and I definitely appreciate him for giving me that. These are the boxes the U28Bs came into. So, and they come with DCC sound. So he sold me all of those. He also gave me these Walther Phase 4 cars. He gave me 3 of them. I don't know if they're all the same number. Let's see, this is 25. This is 20. Yeah, so these are all the same number. But he gave me these, so add more to the Amtrak fleet. So I got 3 of those. So I decided to take these out the box. And yes, they do have lights. I forgot that they had lights on them, but it says on the box that they have lights on them. So here they are, the Am Fleet Phase 4. Yeah, so Hal gave me 3 of them. So they look really nice. So I'm sorry, but here comes the train. And I decided, and I got these too, so thought that train looked pretty nice. It's kind of like a phase 3 force going in, so definitely beautiful. But yeah, these are it. They have lights in them. They look really cool. I do like the lights. You can kind of see them when you tilt it down like this. You can kind of see the light in there. So as far as rolling wise, they're not the furthest. They're kind of stiff, but that's with all these Walthers Amfleet cars, is they're very stiff. So a lot of oiling will have to go into play, but I've seen stiffer. So yeah, and like I said, it got engines. This has to be a record for me. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bought 5 engines today. 5. So that's a record. I never bought 5 engines in my entire life, but that is a record for me today. And also what came with the Seaboard Coastline, or the LNN locomotives, is this caboose that Hal threw in too. So this is pretty cool too. I think this is a Atlas. So these are Atlas. I both have sound in them. These are Bachmann and Walthers auto carrier cars. And of course, these are Bachmann dome cars, and these are, I think, are IHC. So and these are custom. This is a custom run right here All these cars are custom. They don't come like this. Somebody custom out, so they look really, really good. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling, guys. I'm gonna get on out of here. Gonna start packing up here and, you know, get the going. But definitely love this Seaboard Coastline L&N set right here. Got it for a great price. I want to thank Hal, my friend Hal. Thank you again. And we're gonna roll on out of here. And I catch you guys on the next one. So, peace.